All right, GBMC, this is the video to find the winner of my second Donald driver and the last one, the full-size Rep Chrome. So we'll check the time, October 19th at 8:34 p.m. I'm going to go over to the raffle and type live. And we have October 19th at 8:34 p.m. There's the list of our 20 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever comes out on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There is 5. All right, 5 times. Here we go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Jason. Spot number 9 is your winner. So, Jason, please get with me to collect your driver. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, October 19th, 8:34 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.